If you have a car that is too expensive to fix, you can't just burn it or abandon it. When a car breaks down and is not worth the cost of repair, most people choose to get rid of it. But how do you get rid of a car that doesn't run? Estimating your car's value. It might be a good idea to start by determining the car's worth. From there, you may decide if it's worth it to spend some money to get your car operating again, or selling it as is in such a situation. How to get rid of a car that doesn't run. 1. Sell it privately. By selling your old clunker yourself, you could still be able to make a few bucks. You'll have to deal with the trouble of running adverts and meeting potential customers. 2. Recycle your car. When recycling, consider using a scrap metal dealer for a more eco-friendly option. Contact recycling services and compare prices from different businesses. 3. Sell it for parts. If you're good with tools and know about cars, consider selling your used car for parts. Some brands and models have a high demand for specific components, so you might be able to make more money by selling the car in pieces rather than as a whole. 4. Donate it to a charity. The most lucrative choice you have might be to donate your car. Many charities will pick up the automobile for free, and you're more likely to collect more money for it and possibly save a lot of money on taxes. You will receive a receipt for the automobile's fair market value when you donate your car to a charity, which you can use to deduct the donation from your taxes. 5. Auction off the car. Since the auction business handles the sale, auctioning a car is simple. Find a local auction house and make plans to deliver the car there. The car can be examined, valued, photographed, and given a lot and number before the auction by the auction house personnel. After that, just allow the auction to continue and take the proceeds from the sale of the car. That's all for this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.